Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
What is your
And
name?
my name is Margia.
What do you do in your free time?
Actually, I don't get much more time, but in holidays, I visit along with my friends.
Good. Do you speak English?
Yeah,
Why are you learning English?
we know that it is an international language, and for our higher education, we have to study English because the books are written in English.
So you are learning this English.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, in what level at present you are staying?
Now I'm at level 2.
Two. So there is a question. What have you learned from level 1 and 2?
From level 1, I learned many things such as saying hello, hi, yes, no, and so on.
And level 2?
And level 2, I learned many grammars, then talk show, telephone uses, and so on.
Thank you so much. Okay, bye.
Bye.